So hi guys, I am back with another video. In case it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice. I'm on a weight loss journey. I plan to lose 44 pounds or 20 kilos so that I can be in a healthy BMI. And today we are talking about Omad, or rather Omad meals or Omad meal ideas. In case you don't know, Omad is simply one meal a day. So it's a fasting protocol, a lifestyle of eating where you just eat one meal a day. So if you've been following my journey, you know that I've been working myself to Omad. I've tried to do the 16-8 intermittent fasting protocol and then went to the 18-6 and then 24. Now I'm doing Omad. So I've done 7 days of Omad, and in this video I'm just going to show you guys meal ideas from Monday to Sunday, in case you're wondering what you want to eat for Omad. Basically, Omad is it's very nice because it's very flexible. You can eat pretty much what you want. Of course, you want to keep things healthy and clean, but you can pretty much eat anything. So my foods they have carbs. I'm not afraid of carbs. In fact, it's a lot of carbs, because if you come from Kenya, and I think Africa in general, most of our foods are carbohydrates. So I just eat food that I like. I just eat food that is available. I just eat food that makes me happy, because I'm trying to just make this process at least, you know, fun. As much as I'm losing weight, I want to make it fun. And yeah, I am losing weight. Well, I didn't do any weighing this week, but just show the meals. I had said last week I'm going for Omad for a whole 2 weeks, that's 14 days. So I'll still do Omad even after this week. So after that is when I'll weigh in. So let me show you the foods that I've been eating Monday through Saturday. Hi, so it's lunchtime. It's about 1 p.m. It's time for lunch, and we have a delicious meal here. It's just roasted potato. It's just some small potatoes, slice them in two, and then to mix them with some oil and salt, and then put them in the oven for like 20 minutes. And this is the usual vegetables that I like so much. It's carrots, French beans, and red bell pepper. And well, this is green grams, at least for some protein, because this is the only meal I can have today. So it's carrot and the green grams. So that's Omad today. In case I feel hungry, I think I might have one banana, but I think this should do well until tomorrow. So I'll check in with you tomorrow. This is rice, and then this is cabbage, just some steamed cabbage, and that is beans with some carrot, and then half of an avocado. So as you can see, the rice, I'm trying to really limit my carb portions. I know both rice and beans are carbohydrates, but beans has some protein, so trying to just limit white rice. So this whole mountain here is veggies, and then a bit of rice. So trying to eat this. I'm sure this will hold me till tomorrow at about the same time. That's when I'll be eating again. So so far so good. I don't have any issues. I don't have any headaches, nothing. I just have in the morning at around 10 I had andazi. Andazi is a pastry that is deep fried. It looks like a donut. It's the same process. You use the same process to make it. So it's not a very healthy thing to eat because it has sugar and everything. But just I had a small piece, just one, because I just fell to the temptation. But apart from that, I've just been drinking water, and that's it. So far so good. I'll check in with you tomorrow for my Omad meal. So day 3 of Omad, and lunch is served. I'm having chapati or roti, and then some vegetables, cabbage, and then I have soya minced, and an avocado. And Thursday, my husband and I went out to eat, and so what you're seeing is just a serving of goat meat, kuku choma or oven roasted chicken, and a carbohydrate called mokimo. Mokimo is just a mixture of boiled potatoes, corn, and green vegetables. Yeah, so it was a very delicious meal that I had on Thursday. So this is what I'm having for lunch. This is oven roasted sweet potato. I just slice them into pieces, put some salt and oil, just throw them in the oven. This is leftover chicken from yesterday, so that's that. And then veggies, broccoli and sweet bell peppers, the orange and the red, and then this is half an avocado and my favorite sauce. So this is what I'm having today. It may look like it's a small meal, especially because doing Omad, when you're doing Omad, you're supposed to eat as much as all your calories in one meal, your calorie intake for a day. So this is the portion is smaller, but I had 2 slices of bread in the morning. So 2 slices of bread is a lot of calories, number one, and then I'm feeling a bit full. So it's Saturday around 1:30 p.m. just like yesterday, so it's time for lunch. I hope you're still following. It's the 6th day today of Omad, and so I have my meal ready. So let me show you what I have today. It's a very simple meal. This is ugali. I have a video that shows the recipe of making ugali. It's basically just corn flour and hot water mixed together until it forms this. And this is cabbage, 2 fried eggs, and this is a quarter of an avocado. So that's what I have today. Today Omad has been a struggle a bit. I don't know, I guess because it's the weekend. Normally I do well during the week, but when it reaches the weekend, my mind just wants food. My body just wants food the entire time. So I made mandazi in the morning, and I had promised myself that I was not going to taste even a single one. Unfortunately, I had a few. So I am not feeling very proud of myself for that, but it's okay. So today is Sunday, the last day of week 1 of Omad, and I have food ready. Lunch is served. Today is just a simple meal of rice, beef stew, and some veggies. So the vegetables are just French beans and carrots sauteed with an onion. So, and then today is kind of like a cheat day, so I have a glass of soda. I wish I could say this is a glass of freshly pressed orange juice, but it's not. It's soda. I think that's the beauty with Omad. You can get away with cheating a little bit here and there as long as you stay within your calorie range for the day. So so today I just decided to do soda because it's something I have craved for a long time. So, and it's not something that I take every day. So far so good. There was a struggle. I struggled a bit with Omad. The first day went well. The second day went well. The third day was a fasting day. So I don't know, for some reason I struggled on Wednesday. I've realized that I struggle on Wednesdays a lot. I don't know. I think it's a spiritual attack of some sort because it's a prayer and fasting day. So it's a day where it's a day where we set apart, you know, the pleasures of life to just seek after God and, you know, fellowship with Him, read the Bible, pray for others, pray for yourself. So the devil doesn't like that very much. So sometimes I feel like the cravings are on another level. As soon as I wake up on Wednesdays, I always just feel like eating. So Wednesday I had a few cravings here and there. I fell into a few of them. And then I think Thursday, Friday also, there were moments where I'd feel hungry, and not hungry really. Hunger wasn't so bad, but the cravings, you just feel like eating. It's like boredom, just emotional eating, and just grab something. Sometimes I'll be cooking for my family and I'm tasting the food, and by the time I'm tasting one spoon, I want to taste another one. So I'm hoping that this week is going to be, I want to keep my fasts very clean. So I fast for 22 hours, because I eat from midday to 2 p.m. and the reason I do midday to 2 p.m. is I think it fits my lifestyle, because I work from home, and so I just realized that in the mornings I'm not very hungry, although again this week I was tested, because by like 10 I'd be craving something, but most of the time I don't feel hungry in the morning. So the hunger comes around 10-11 a.m. and by the time it comes, it's like I have an hour or two before I break my fast, and then the whole of the afternoon I'm full from eating the Omad meal. And then at around 5:30 I'd go work out, and after working out, for some reason after working out and drinking a lot of water, I never really feel hungry. So after working out, I'd come home like at around 6:45 to 7, take a shower, make dinner for my family, and I wouldn't feel like eating. So that's it. But for some people, if you work away from home, I think eating your Omad in the evening is better. I don't know, just depends, but you have to figure that out for yourself. But for me, it's like I have to just power through from like 10 to midday or 1 p.m. and then I'm good. So that's why I'm doing that. So it's a fast of like 22 to 23 hours a day, every day. I'm working out, and I haven't filmed anything because again I don't know if I don't know how to film. I run, so I don't know who will film me. I don't have someone to help me film, number one, and then number two, I'm doing it with a group of ladies, so I don't know if it's okay to do that. I have to ask them for permission to film. But so basically it's just running a few laps, and then some workouts like squats and just some cardio workouts. So for a whole hour we do that. So alongside my Omad, that's what I've been doing, and I plan to continue doing that. So I guess I'll see you guys next week when I'll be weighing myself to see if Omad has really worked. But this video is just to help you with meal ideas. If you're lost, if you don't know, basically don't deprive yourself when you're on Omad. You need to eat all your calories, because that's the only meal that is giving nutrition to your body. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you even for giving this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you being around here. I appreciate everything. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.